Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the OSSIM tutorials series. So in this series, we already cover up the introduction part of the OSSIM, what it is. Then we also cover up the installation, how to install it, how to set up the servers, sensors, and the plugins. And I in the last video I already gave you the overview of the portal, how it looks like, what functionality it has, and what feature it actually providing to the analyst. So it's of now the fourth part of this playlist, which is gonna be how to install the Sysmon. Sysmon is actually I already discussed this in the introduction presentation, that it's a log generating agent. It actually generates a log, and it actually like it's act as assembly point. It collects all the logs at one place. So without wasting time, I think we should proceed to the installation. So just type here download Sysmon, and you will get the first link by the Microsoft. Go and download the Sysmon from here. Let's open the directory, launch, view, extract the zip file. Four files by default from this download zip folder. So let me give you first of all the look to the event viewer, that uh, where actually the logs are uh, generated. So first of all, go into your event viewer, then the application and service logs. I just wait for a while here because it takes a bit of the seconds. And next, proceed to the Microsoft, then Windows, because it's the Windows logs. So and then search for, these are the log generators actually. Search for Sysmon. If you see that I don't have a Sysmon yet installed, if it's there, it I will be getting it somewhere here. So it's not yet here, so I need to install it. Before installing the Sysmon, I need to actually uh, configure a I need to download a configuration file, because I'm not going to proceed with the default configuration. Let me again go on the detail view, and let's proceed and download one of the configuration file of the system. So for that, it's one provided by the Swift on security Sysmon GitHub, and yes, this is the one. Download this file again, this file as well. Then proceed to your directory, yeah, and extract it too. Let me extract it here, and just copy the file, which is this one.xml, or the cut it from here to your directory where the exe files are. So I will use this configuration file. If I open this, try to open this file, is some you will see something like this. This is the configuration file. It will collect these type of logs. So without wasting time, first of all, I will prefer to use the PowerShell rather than the CMD, because it sometimes create problems. So run the PowerShell as an administrator, then simply copy this link and type here cd, and yes, now you are in this directory. So what you need to do next, you need to type sysmon. After writing the sys, just press tab to auto write, and because our system is 64-bit, so I will prefer the 64-bit. And then again press the tab, then here write accept I, and then here paste the configuration file. What's the name of the configuration file? Here mine is Sysmon configuration file, and then I press the tab. So I need to, for the installation, just hit the enter now. Neither install is actually I maybe misspelled. It's E here. Here is specify septular. So that was my mistake. And then press enter again. As before, automatically septular installation, otherwise it will be incorrectly prompted. So I forget to specify the minus as well, because it's the keyword. So yes, hit the enter, and it started to download, and it's now Sysmon is has been started. So let's see first of all from the service, is it running here there or not, because it's a log generating event. So just press Sysmon S and yes, here you can see Sysmon 64 has been now started, and this process has been started. Now I will go back in the event viewer for the one-time confirmation again in the application and service logs, and so it will take a while. Then in the Microsoft, and next in the Windows, and let's see again for the Sysmon, and you will see yes, the Sysmon is there now, and it started collecting the logs. It's like 412 and this time, and it started generating the logs. So this is how you can install the log generating agent. I used as a system as a generating agent, and we will take this one in the further videos. So stay tuned for the next videos. In the next video I will show you how to download the log forwarding agent NX log. So stay tuned, take care, bye bye, see you there.